Now that we've finished foundationing the system and we've set up the hypervisor for the Nutanix system, we're going to run some common post-install checks. First thing we're going to run is the NCC check program. So go ahead and SSH into any one of the controller virtual machines and we'll run the NCC check commands. So we're going to NCC health underscore checks run underscore all. So the NCC health checks will actually run for quite a few minutes. Now that the NCC checks are finished, you can actually take a look at the output from the log file created by the NCC checks. The path is actually located on the screen after the NCC checks are finished.